The sound that we are going to practice in this video is sound N. Repeat after me. N. 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 In never. Again, never. Numerical. Again, numerical. Knock. Again, knock. Nice. Again, nice. Near. Again, near. Narrow. Again, narrow. No. Again, no. Nevada. Again, Nevada. Near. Again, need. What other words have the initial sounds N? N in pony. Again, pony. Honor. Again, honor. Funeral. Again, funeral. Many. Again, many. Planning. Again, planning. Manner. Again, manner. Banner. Again, banner. Spinning. Again, spinning. Manual. Again, manual. What other words have the middle sound N? N in bone. Again, bone. Emotion. Again, emotion. Coin. Again, coin. Reunion. Again, reunion. Pan. Again, pan. Question. Again, question. Plane. Again, plane. Vitamin. Again, vitamin. Violin. Again, violin. What other words have the final sound N? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Keep the owner. Again, keep the owner. Hold emotion. Again, hold emotion. Big knocks. Again, big knocks. From Nevada. Again, from Nevada. Nice dress. Again, nice dress. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? He came from Nevada. Again, he came from Nevada. Keep on hold of your emotion. Again, keep on hold on your emotion. Stop him from spinning. Again, stop him from spinning. Don't forget your vitamin. Again, don't forget your vitamin. Please bring your violin. Again, please bring your violin. The sound we just practiced in this video, the sound N. Repeat after me. N. N. I hope you enjoy your practice and have a nice day. Bye.